Good morning, everyone. We're back here with another unboxing video. Kong Godzilla, the new empire. This time we have Suko with Titanus Doug. So I think Suko, how I pronounce it, but I'm not really sure. Let's check it out, guys. This thing does have a warning: choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. I think it's this rock thing. Looks like a cereal. Well, there is Suko, and there is Suko, and there is Titanus Doug. Let's see his face with him around like this because he's kind of weird. There we go. Anyways, this is for also 4+ from Toho and Legendary and Playmates right there. On the side also has the exact same thing like the other ones, with the crystals on one side and the Kong and Godzilla on that side. Let's check out the back. It has the saying up here says Godzilla, the King Kong, X-Kong, the new empire. Godzilla and Kong return an all-new adventure, putting the almighty Kong and the fearsome Godzilla against a colossal, undiscovered threat hitting our world, challenging their very existence on our own. Suko with Titanus Doug. Don't let his size fool you. Suko is a scrappy fighter with raw primal strength and had an attitude who always has Kong's back. He is fully architected and posable. There's him with the rock, and there's Doug right next to him. Like, throw the rock. Here's the little sets with the set. I have all of them, but this guy is Shumu. I'm looking for him. Once I get him, I will do an unboxing and billing video for you. Okay, let's turn around here. Same thing, nothing special on here. Here's a barcode if you want to see if you got this at your place. Okay, guys, let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got here. Looks like the same kind of fabric as the other one has. Got my trusty old scissors here. Okay, that's under plastic, so I don't know if I'm going to be saving this box or not. Let's get Doug out first. Since he was in the first movie for Kong versus Godzilla. Let's see if we can get him out first. Let's see. Hey, make him in there pretty darn tight. Hey, let's see if I can turn him, put you guys down a little bit so you guys can watch it going on. Whatnot. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little pressure on this. There we go. So that's his main body. The tail, I think the tail is stuck in there too. It's really flexible, the tail is. Okay, let's see if I can get him out of there. It looks like it's not. There he goes. It's like that plastic stuff now. There we go. I think I got it. I think I got her. Oh, his tail came. Oh, it's a detachable tail like the other ones. Huh. The tail's detached like the other ones. There, let's put him there for a side for a second. Let's see if I can get his. There he is. There's his little tail. So you attach his little tail here. Oh, there it goes. See, it moves up and down. His little feet moves. His mouth don't move though, but his little feet, his back feet moves. Oh, ain't that cool? Little Doug. I like this little scene he had in the King Kong versus Godzilla. There's the bottom part of him. Let's see his little belly. Okay, let's set you over side over here. Let's go get your buddy out here. Okay, let's see if I can cut him. Cut his little string right there. Like doing surgery on these things. It's hard to get the string off of there. Let's raise you guys back up again. Okay. Let's see if I can get this smaller size of the scissors. get in there. Put you guys back down again. I want to see if I can do it laying down. See if that works. He is trapped in there really, really good. Let's start with the arm here. Let's see if I can get at least that part cut. Yeah, I got most of that cut. Sorry, I'm bumping into the deal here. Come on. Let's see if we can get that right off there and cut that right there. Okay. Got his arm free at least. His arm is free. Okay. Come on, little feller. We're gonna free you from the stupid box here. Hey, really put him in there good. There we go. His other arm's free. Let's get his chest free. I think if we get the chest free, it'll be a lot easier. The feet will come in pretty good, I think. See if I can get my finger. I can get my finger up in there. And I can just get the scissor part right in there. Turn. Got that. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to be able to save this box because it looks like it's taped in there pretty good. Yep, can't save it. But we do got his rock out. It feels like a hard piece of cereal or something like that, like those Captain Crunches. What it feels like. All right, put it over there, Doug. This box here we're not going to save because it's tore, and I don't think we need this one. I might put it back there just in case. Okay, let's see if we can get his foot free here. This one is actually a little difficult. Titanus Doug. He's there chilling, watching everything going on, looking at that rock. Okay, let's do something different here. We're gonna come down here. I'm gonna try to cut that right there. I can cut. I don't know if you guys can see because it's a little dark right there, but I'm gonna try to cut. There's little strings holding that. If I get that part out, yeah, it'll come easier. Get the box out. Okay, there's the plastic part. See, you got some feet there. Right. All right, let's go on the bottom here and see if I can just remove it this way. Don't know if I can or not, but I'll try. Ah! There's one foot out. Come on, little feller. Okay, he's free! Yay, he's free! Look at him. He's cute, ain't he? Put Doug right here so you can see in the background. There's Doug and Suko, aka Son of Kong. He's supposed to be holding the rock. Let's look at the. Let's put this back there in the back here. Let's go ahead and put the back there. So Suko's here. They're supposed to hold the rock. Looks like you're supposed to hold a rock like this. If I don't lose the rock here, I'll stick it in my hand here. So it looks like the rock goes like so. I think. Oh, let me try this side. It says, how's it supposed to work like this? Why not? I don't know how it's supposed to do this. Oh, why not? Anyways, you're supposed to hold the rock. Maybe it's that hand. Anyways, you're supposed to hold the rock. I'm going to try to get it figured out as soon as I can. Why not? You're supposed to hold the rock Okay, let's see if I can get him stand up here with at least with Doug. There we go. That is Suko with Titanus Doug. Look at its new Godzilla, Baby Godzilla looks like King Kong, Baby King Kong, and Baby Godzilla from the MonsterVerse guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.